Okay, here we have our basement remodel. This is a quick scan I did, a photogrammetry scan of the basement. You can see the screen over there. You can see a student for scale that got in the way. But if we hit T, I have laid on some other stuff that I'd love to have. Um, Over here, we have a game controller setup. Hopefully, this is a four-player setup, and we can also see MFA students and their bios, and we can change this content out every year. And then we might have in this white wall where we're not doing anything, some information or maybe some pictures and posters. But these are video game controllers that have two monitors here, and this is pretty straightforward for most video games that are displayed in an expo setting. There's a monitor above, and then there's a monitor in front for the player. I'm gonna hi and then we also have a larger format TV over here, maybe a newer one that has a four-player console or a one-player console, but utilizing this space effectively. Maybe this is also where the polycade goes, but I understand that this is an elevator, so obviously we'd be talking about how to install that one specific item. And then hopefully we can re-energize this screen, which maybe we'll put like a unique button or another video game controller here so that we can utilize this. This big format LED screen is what we see in most arcades currently. It's like the newer version. It looks so pixelated and interesting that they've been using it for a lot of retro games. But Dave and Buster's, all the video game companies that are making arcade systems, which are out there still, are using those screens. And we just really want a place to showcase maybe the BFA projects on one of our areas, maybe some of the student work here. Um, and we'll just hide the scan part so it's a little cleaner. And if we could go over to Depot campus and get some chairs, maybe some drop power or something, it would just be a easier space. The tables and chairs are for board games, which are also something that we are initiating with the library to start having students be able to use board games again, and is part of my current curriculum in the game design program. So hopefully this is interesting. Oh, and this over here, this is something we have already been thinking about doing is, just giving a way to complement each other. Heather has kind of a news information submission button, but it's kind of, not obvious. And hopefully with this traffic, we can kind of engender a community of play and a community that is focused on academic development and the promotion of our students.